Chief Judicial Magistrate Impal West remands son of founder of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School, Kanchipur, in police custody for 7 days in connection with recent girl student death case. Tamaban MLA Khumukcham Joy Kisan asked state government if it is dictated by powerful goons at the backdrop of recent mysterious death of a student girl. Combined team of Moreh Police, Moreh Commando and 40 Tiers Assam Rifles recovers contraband WY tablets worth around 3 crore 40 lakh rupees at New Champai village. Horticulture Minister Thanawazam Shyamkumar inaugurates first ever quality analysis laboratory at ICAR Research Complex for NEH region, Lampelpat. And Irrigation and Floods Control Department Minister Letpao Haukib inspects ongoing works under Khugadam project to supply water in Churachandpur district and other areas. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News and I'm Latingba Monica with the latest news updates. Son of the founder of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School, Piroizam Robinson, who was arrested by Special Investigation Team SIT of the State Police in connection with the suspicious death of a girl student of the school who was found hanging in the school hostel room, was produced before Chief Judicial Magistrate CJM Imphal West in Cherab Court Complex today. Robinson serves as junior administrator of the school. He was arrested on charge of negligence and failure to prevent the incident. Investigating officer of the case submitted investigation report to the judge, and after listening to Assistant Public Prosecutor's response, the court ordered to keep Robinson in police custody for 7 days to carry out further investigation. A combined team has raided hostel of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School, Kanchipur, in connection with the recent unnatural death of a girl student who was found hanging in the hostel room. IG of Manipur Police, Klek Hongsai, DIG Range 1, Themting Ngasangba, SP Imphal West District Police, K. Megachandra and a team of Manipur Forensic Science took part in the search operation along with JAC members and school authorities. Speaking to media on the sidelines today, SP Megachandra stated that the combined team raided the hostel following arrest of suspect Robinson by SIT last night. He also disclosed that police has arrested 2 more miscreants who uploaded misleading videos and photographs regarding the incident on social media, and investigations are underway. Meanwhile, investigation team leader M. Inaubi stated that the forensic science report was submitted yesterday to solve the mystery behind the suspicious deaths. He also termed it unfortunate that some people condemned the report as incorrect on social media even before its submission. He urged people not to repeat such act in future.
First, UD case, unnatural death case on date 18 we incorporate all those theories in our investigation. We keep all the options open. The investigation is free and fair and open. And today also we are revisiting this regarding the arrest of that Robinson. It is partly mainly because of that negligence on the part of the school authority, particularly warden and all, who are taking care of these boarders or inmates of the. But thing is that our investigation is quite open for any other aspect also, as I said. The flavor clear to so even blood stain man about the we proved that it was not blood stain. Aduna moinasu yenge thaza de color change to blood oiragadi koina see color the change to kadom haiba koido thaza dabdagi JC member gi masagi blood loraga we tested. So yeah ngasi today. So and also they were convinced. First UD case.
Thamaiban MLA Khumukcham Joy Kisan has claimed that recent suspicious death case of a girl student of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School indicates the existence of powerful goons in the state who are capable enough to dictate the supposed to be an efficient state government. Speaking to media at Puja Community Hall in Khuyathong today, opposition MLA Joy Kisan alleged that the state government takes loss of life of a student as trivial matter. He claimed that the government acted in a similar careless manner even with the unnatural death of Pravesh Chanam, a student from Uripok, despite mass agitations. He further alleged that the government deceives the people by stating that the case has been handed over to the CBI when in fact it wasn't, and that the Pravesh Chanam murder case remains a mystery till date. MLA Joy Kisan also claims that the government gave misleading information by filing the recent girl student death case under IPC section 305 while submitting relevant documents to the Home Department to hand over the case to the CBI. He expressed great disappointment that the government till yesterday failed to concede to people's demand to file the case under IPC section 302. He asserted that such actions of the government clearly shows its careless attitude towards youth who are the pillars of the nation. Joy Kisan urged the people to unite for justice and not to believe in time-to-time pacification and delay tactics of the government. MLA Kumukcham Joy Kisan also demanded to book the miscreants who are instrumental in suppressing the truth.
Landoni yam tuna phada ya de laite police ne singne da bo mayam le be ai landoni gi school staff phada ya dis laite tawu Manipur public mayam na ngang na rei ba pot am lei ri thautok thok ko ming sidi chin hang bom ka lai ai gi yum da kari gum thaudong ta re yum bu ji hang nei sidani akoina case si mayun on na chak khadrai na koi nonang ji haying bibisna gi hakchang koi lerol changrani adu gi matung da di masi case lotion gidrai na sinne aduna ne koina Manipur mayam da koi irang to ni sai tok jedi achum ba khangdong na ba hona mi na ba mari darka lai masigi hona reba public mayam da nungnang gi se government sina mami mapi mapan sina government sina public tam the assurance bibiyo.
Congress workers have staged a protest demonstration against failure of the state government to solve the recent suspicious death of a girl student of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School, Kanchipur. Manipur Pradesh Mahila Congress Committee organized a protest meet at Congress Bhavan, BT Road today. Taking part in the sit-in, MPCC Vice President T. Mangibabu warned that Congress party will initiate various agitations if government failed to solve the death mystery. He also alleged that the BJP government has delayed justice to victim of Uttar Pradesh 2017 Unnao rape case.
Mamanabi, Mamana Mayamga, Luna Leminaba Sidagi, Leiba Mayamduki Marktuda, Mana Kamaitona, Maduda, Hang Tona, Siramibano, Kamaito Suicide Mibano, Masipuna Maxe, Masigi Langla Langjinlese, Karitoba, Habapuna, Ticket Pagimahuta, Lady Bangasigi, Game Nasina, Masi Yari Makai, Subside Tokinaba, Masigi Wapam Singse, Amuhana Puturutanaba, Gimatagum, Puna Lusanaba Honabase, Masi, a Kogi Congress Party, Namasi, Adukimati Pende. Warden Anido, Ngasi Police Custody that Hame Haraga, Makobu interrogation. Togdana asoiba leba langlang karai de kari puthokpa yagada ge haidana madu thiba gi mahuta mokhoi do direct jurisdiction custody da mu thajang gre adu orgadi kana da gi no masigi langlang thiga.
Langtabal Chingthak Women's Society has warned to carry out various forms of agitations including bans and blockades if the authorities concerned fail to solve the recent girl student deaths mystery at the earliest. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club this afternoon, Society advisor Numitlai Kumbini urged the government to conduct proper investigations to nab any culprits involved in the students' deaths. Kabuini expressed disappointment that Chief Minister Nongthongbam Biren seems to have failed to consider the matter in a serious manner. She also appealed to all civil society and student organizations to come together in finding out the truth of the matter.
Laibak lanba mandre ado sarkar laibusu mansilaktre mapi mapa laibusu mansilaktre asigi solution se athubo matamda solve tawdradi maigai khuding da thomjelakpagi ningom si loin ure makharom de su kharom de su awangrom de su thomjelakna blockade taw yaura ni somda mung tawrakani 57 tawni 53 mung tawraka asig mayam si akhoi usil la ebo jikse asi ubada matamda akhoi parja mayam yam wagani isam samda leijaba isa sing ima sing mayam leiba mayam se kayamuk akaiba lakani adu la adi school su ka ba yararoi adu akhoi se pola sarkar laitaba adu ka Manipur se kolap ta awaba mung tagani.
Students formed human chain chanting various slogans at Lilong today demanding justice for the girl student who died in a suspicious manner in the hostel of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School, Kanchipur. The human chain protest was carried out in front of Lilong Higher Secondary Madrasa by blocking half the road under the initiative of Pangal Students Organization PSO. The Assam Kakching District Council, in association with Suknu Mairapaibi, Kaithel Lup Suknu, M. Ganga Academy, Chingtam English School, Suknu Higher Secondary School, Lamzingba Club and Suknu Municipal Council also carried out human chain protest at Suknu Market in Kakching District against the recent suspicious death of a girl student. Protesters chanted various slogans demanding justice of the deceased student. Residents of Haibok also carried out a protest demonstration today condemning the recent suspicious death of a girl student. The protest meet was jointly carried out by Haibok Nupi Samaj Kanbalub Unit Nepal and Narankhonjil Sports Club Narankhonjil Mekhalekai. Proscribed Maoist Communist Party Manipur in a press release urged parents of hostelers of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School to cooperate with the JSC formed by the people of Thangmaiban constituency against the recent death of a girl student and to give genuine statement regarding the case. The proscribed party stated that unavailability of CCTV footage of the hostel premise makes the case even more suspicious. It also expressed worry that interrogation of the students by the police and Women Against Crime will be detrimental for them. Maoist Communist Party also stated that it will notify the public whether the school will be reopened or not by August 4. A combined team of Moreh Police, Moreh Commando and 43rd Assam Rifles has recovered contraband WY tablets worth around 2 crore 40 lakh rupees. Impact News sources said the combined team seized the drug while conducting domination operation around New Chimpai village from a man who came riding a Canbo bike from Myanmar in a suspicious manner. When stopped by the security personnel, the miscreant fled away, leaving behind his bike and a bag. 80,000 WY tablets were found inside the bag. Horticulture Minister Thanawazam Syamkumar inaugurated the first ever quality analysis laboratory at ICAR Research Complex for NEH region Lamphilpat today. The laboratory was established under the funding of Mission for Integrated Development of Horticulture and the Department of Horticulture and Soil Conservation, Government of Manipur. The laboratory will perform quality analysis of both fresh and processed horticulture products. The laboratory has 4 sections, namely Analytical Lab, Spectroscopy Lab, Molecular Biology Lab and Microbiology Lab. It is also equipped with a serialization room, storeroom and designated washing area. Speaking at the inaugural event, Minister Syamkumar expressed disappointment that not only people of Manipur depend on other states for food items but also face inconveniences associated with food adulteration, which is rampant in the state. He asserted that the newly opened laboratory will identify adulterated food items and will greatly benefit the people. Water pumps were also provided to women farmers under ICAR NEH region Female Farmers Project on the occasion.
Government Fred Paminaso, Yung Sapambi Gumba, the Upambi with hand powder. And haying size to the Homoganaso, we go up in the Tangan have been able to go up. I don't go up the Ansade, but the head of monkey, the Patana Gamla, the Hapa Gipto. Yes, but one number as Baton Roma, the scene of some Baton numbers of Maneva. The Manu Usa, Pascal Peter de Usa, Masal, the Pinama Usani, a Patus in the target of Usani, a issue to problem with up from Usani, Sipambi in the Memtata Tabiragadi. To na kogi isusi global warming nung si tu siap tahu ngamni atau environment kan bang ngamni every day every second longi singsu di pame me aisyar kogi kasi interact tahu na mai le atau di high ba sumber diseases me sumber kogi thorn do me si kan bang ngamni
Irrigation and Floods Control Department Minister Letpao Haokip has inspected ongoing works to supply water from Khuga Dam to Churachandpur district and other areas. Agriculture Minister V. Hankailan and other relevant officials accompanied the minister. The team inspected the canal bridge at right and left canals of Khuga Dam and various others ongoing construction of irrigation canals. Speaking on the sidelines, Minister Letpao Haokip stated that the initiative was undertaken to help people of the area, keeping aside political mindset. He asserted that the ongoing measures will supply irrigation to around 1,000 hectares of agricultural lands. Letpao Haokip maintained that the works are still due on the right canal of the dam. He firmly believed that the ongoing project will benefit people in the area and enhance agricultural production for years to come.
PCD Mantri na pipe si piraga aina areba pasale ko thi naraga ti pipe si samakanda kumsi Churachandpur da lo hing bani pan bani haitai natar ta ga di masi pungkang kang adoba pot oiba sarkar MLA na kan na pressure pidana areba kharaga onaba CM ga tanaraga planning dagi na DPR macham CM ga lo thagalo na thagala kanda rupees siga nga sagi yeng edoga mafam ahum se only 19 lakhs test tawbani yamna thabak se thika gi contract oriented na taba thamoi singna officer sing sina sumaina praja sing sina thawai yam yauna hotna bi bataraga di paisa si yam changdraga su thabak se yam pangthok pangame se handaki matang sida udi singda problem leite thoba gi problem leite Khuga sine excess.
Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on one-day Mau Market season sale. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. Mau Imphal Market Coordination Committee organized one-day Mau Market season sale at the community hall of Kaisampat Laimajam Lekai today. Advisor of Mau Imphal Market Coordination Committee, Ibotombi Kuman, expressed disappointment at the delayed construction of Mau Market shed. He urged the government to look into the matter and complete the construction without further delay.
Jualiba portion asina juambata natana akoigi mauga aduga impandaliba atopa community mayam sangasiga emotional integrity amaka leraga nusijana ba amaka pangamna bagi pandamda asumasi sinjabani asejida koi mayamna pot laibidana lalakpiba maugi yamna ba koi organic manada thaba portion ase marang kana bhamasa phangakan sida khudong chaba amaka pibiba sida lamdamasa laiba koi customer sangasu mapadan laibiba si yam nungaijai Aswantoga Matangi, Quigi, Tanga, Asidade, Asidade, Makwe, Sinjame, Lampian supermarket, Pangani Aduga, Madugi, Matangi, Levabon, Asidade, Sinjametuan, kind of Pamba Adrusu, Mayam, so you have a Wapung Kratse, Chwana Hangasek.
Apunba Sinmi Awang Maikai Kanglatombi held a public meeting at Community Hall of Awang Wabagai today, demanding to allow sand mining and quarrying activities at Sekmai River once again. Upapradhan of Awang Potsangbam, member of Ward number 10, former Zilla Parisad and many people attended the meet. Speaking to media, Secretary of Apunba Sinmi Awang Maikai Kanglatombi, Thingam Nganthoi, stated that sand miners and stone quarries are facing immense hardships following ban on sand mining and stone quarrying activities at rivers of Manipur by the High Court of Manipur, as their livelihood depend on such activities. She expressed disappointment that despite repeated pleas to the authorities concerned to revoke the ban, it remained futile till date. Nganthoi also condemned the government for not taking up any measures to rehabilitate the workers. She mentioned that Apunba Sinmi Awang Maikai Kanglatombi began indefinite blockade on National Highway number 2, Sekmai Road since July 25, but it was lifted following a request by the Sekmai police station. But public meetings and public protest demonstrations in areas under Sekmai jurisdiction demanding revocation of the ban continues unabated. The association secretary urged the government to look into the matter without further delay.
Awang Maikai Sigi, Suda Badematalite, Porengi Manunzana Subazi, Quigi, Singi, Silina walk the Yauna Suriba, Adomati Masindi Tibangamdre, like Amani Bogai, Mahosagim Hosa, Dum Swan Baya and Base, Asima Dangi Pamze, the same happened the Masidi, Melangalunda, Apinto Zagebo, Hanagi Matagduna, Quay Nungling Pihan Biu, Aduga Hanagi Matagduna, Quay Ningtam, Dum Suhan Biu, Abadi Amoy, Low Unagi Mapamze Zaga Haitariko, so Makai the Dumkaras be ever. Turians the Suraga Moy Masama Sulari, Tambadagi, tawse yariba makhai di khoi lengak lonjina athuba matam da hai tare ne ko athuba matam da hingi ba pose hingbi ganu aduga khoi gi khoi sinmi bu nusi.
Meanwhile, members of All Manipur Excavator, Local Truck, Tipper Owners and Workers Association has called for a statewide ban from 4 a.m. till 6 p.m. on August 1 against non-declaration of any legal quarrying sites in Manipur. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club this afternoon, President of the association, K. Rajan, appealed to all the CSOs of the state to play active role in fighting issues concerning the state, to acknowledge the problems facing the laborers and support the statewide ban. He condemned that over and above the restrictions imposed by the Forest Department, the High Court of Manipur has imposed ban on carrying out sand mining and quarrying activities at rivers of Manipur, which has greatly affected the livelihood of workers and drivers. ML Toa also announced ban on supply of sands and stones for construction works to government or any private individuals by a worker or driver until their demand is met.
अखोई बंजी नुमितगी होरगा मतुंग तारकुददी नुंगलेंगोय चिंगबदा सिनफम ओरिबा गारीजिंग सिनमिजिंग ड्राइवरजिंग अखोई सिनफमजी लेपगा अखोई खामगा थबक सुदना लेगनी अखोई गवर्नमेंट गी माइकैदगी तंग ताबा फिरेब अमा नोइगिसे सिगुंबा लंबी सिदैदा नोइगी सुबम चाबम सिदा लेरे नोइगी लंबी सिदा लेरे हाइबा वाफम अमा लाक्ट्रि भावबा सुंबा लालक सिदा मणिपुर गी वांगमदगी से दिमापुर दगी पुरा लोनादा लैंगोय पुसलैबा गारी मपुजिंग गारी ड्राइवरजिंग तौबिनु असोयंगाम यावरगा मदु मसा मसागी दायित्व ओइजगनी मणिपुर गवर्नमेंटना मसागी सुमांग भाव सिट्रिङैसिदा थोप प्रॉब्लम सोल्व तौद्रिङैसिदा अपानदगी अमु पोरागा सिदे अनदर प्रॉब्लम अमा मु हापचनबो होनरिसे थिंगबो ngमद्रिसे खंजनदबरा उसनदबरा नत्रगा सोयरजु तौगयां तौरिब्रा मसिमा याम पेंदे नुंगाइते.
United Women Rights Defenders UWRD organized a public meeting in condemnation of crimes against women at Laikurembi Shrine in Imphal yesterday. A public rally was also carried out after the meet. Speaking to media, convener of United Women Rights Defenders UWRD M. Bina urged the government not to remain silent regarding incidents of crime against women, but to take appropriate measures to put an end to such crimes. Childline Thoubal, in collaboration with District Police Thoubal, observed World Day Against Trafficking in Persons at the meeting hall of SP Thoubal today. Speaking at the event, SP Thoubal Dr. S.C. Bomcha stated that India has the highest human trafficking crime rate in the world. He maintained that trafficked women and children are used in forced labor for sexual exploitation and organ transplantation. SP Bomcha urged police officers to work diligently and also urged public to cooperate the police in curbing human trafficking. Leaders of various communities residing in areas under PHED Thengnopal and Moray held a public meet to discuss on measures to overcome scarcity of safe drinking water in Moray. The attendees resolved to change aged water pipelines in Moray town and to curb illegal laying of water pipelines. A committee comprising of leaders of various communities residing in areas under PHED Thengnopal and Moray was also formed during the meet to combat water crisis. A food safety team under Food Safety and Standard Enforcement Wing, Bishnupur, inspected packaged drinking water and other food items being sold at Ningthokong Market in Bishnupur district today. The team also checked whether the market vendors held license or not. The team instructed the vendors not to sell expired and adulterated food items. Imphal City booking office of Air India will be shifted from MG Avenue to opposite of Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan in Babupara on 1st of August. 113 Battalion BSF under the aegis of BSF TAC Headquarters Loktak carried out Civic Action Program 2019 at Greenvale School near CI Post, Wangjing, City Youth Club Hairok Part 2 and Chingdompok High School near CI Post Hairok today. 130 Battalion BSF Commandant Hidam Subol distributed sports and stationery items to the school students and members of the local club at Wangjing and Hairok. He also delivered a motivational lecture to students and teachers of Greenvale School. Assistant Commandant Bhagat Singh and Inspector Mukesh also attended the event. Hyanglam MLA Dr. Radheshyam Yumnam distributed 14 tailoring and 12 embroidery machines to 26 minority Muslim beneficiaries of Hyanglam constituency today. The event was held at the residence of one Muhammad Abdul Barik in Konuma, the lone Muslim village in the constituency. Speaking on the occasion, MLA Radheshyam asserted that the event was carried out under the Ministry of Minority Affairs to enhance the economic condition of the minorities, assured of various other welfare benefits under the ministry in the future. Indian Red Cross Society Imphal West District branch organized a dental camp cum awareness program on basic knowledge of first aid at USDA Children Home at Sagolban, Mainolerag today. Over 40 children in the home were treated and provided free medicines during the camp held under District Child Protection Unit, Imphal West, Department of Social Welfare. Demonstrations on first aid techniques as well as blood sugar test procedures were carried out during the camp. Speaking on the sidelines, Chairman of Indian Red Cross Society, Imphal West District Branch, Dr. Akoijam Arun Kanta stated that the camp aimed to keep the children healthy and to create awareness on life-saving measures in times of medical emergencies.
Sigi health care masida mainly akoina lorwa thorang se angangi dental gi game ni magi yatin chaba khotpa adugumba yawa khopa check up toba aduga loin loinana akoina ngasi su mogi akoi organizer singda aduga mogi sum members sing so akoina first akoi 8 ki basic awareness program so pigani koi ngasi swan sum chathare cha akoi sina sum matang akoi gi Imphal West district branch ta gi area da leriba akoi sum home natabasu atei ki angang singi school ki khangde khangde akoi loinamak sumba health checkup se akoi tama packet ke haina akoi Indian Red Cross Society Imphal West district branch kan khanja.
All Manipur Arts and Culture Students Union will organize a painting competition on the theme Freedom Fighter of Manipur for students of class 7 to 10 at JN Manipur Dance Academy on August of 13th. Before we end, a quick look at the headlines once again. Chief Judicial Magistrate Imphal West remands son of founder of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School Kanchipur in police custody for 7 days in connection with recent girl student death case. Kamaiban MLA Kumukcham Joygishan asked state government if it is dictated by powerful goons at the backdrop of recent mysterious death of a girl student. Combined team of Moray Police, Moray Commando and 43rd Assam Rifles recovers contraband WY tablets worth around 2 crore 40 lakh rupees at New Champai village. Horticulture Minister Thaunawjam Shyam Kumar inaugurates first ever quality analysis laboratory at ICAR Research Complex for NEH region, Lamphel. And Irrigation and Floods Control Department Minister Letpao Haukib inspects ongoing works under Khuga Dam project to supply water in Churachandpur district and other areas.